All right, we're back on site and we're going to add the wire from the controller to the valve so that we can start operating this system from my cell phone while I fix all of the heads on the property. That's right. When I do a smart system upgrade, I first upgrade the system before I go out and upgrade all of the sprinkler heads so that I have remote control over the sprinkler system. It just makes sense, right? All right, now let's watch me put this wire in. Yeah, I realize I installed the valves and I could have installed the wire while I still had the hole open, but I wanted to leave it looking clean because I wasn't going to be back the next day, but the day after that. So that's why I did that. Now that I've got the wire in and nice and cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and run my little coils in here. No, they don't do anything for surge protection, but when you open up that controller, it looks beautiful right in your face, and that's what I love looking at every time I open up one of my controllers. On the multi-strand wires, those coils stay in the controller. I don't necessarily do them at the valves. I only do that with 14 gauge wire. We're going to dress these up with some dry con wire nuts because those are direct burial. Now we're done.